If you watched all these case studies, you'll notice that all these successful YouTubers did things in their own unique ways. And you may have even noticed that these case studies sometimes contradicted each other. So, for example, there was one YouTuber, Neil Patel, who transcribes his videos and puts it in the description for SEO purposes. But another YouTuber that I did a case study on, Minority Mindset, they actually oppose, they don't transcribe their videos and believe that it actually hurts their rankings. But the one thing that all these YouTubers, all these successful YouTubers have in common is consistency and also persistence. It took some of them at least a year to eventually start gaining momentum. So if there's one thing you're going to take from these case studies, it's that you have to maintain your consistency. Try to post at least one video per week. And again, do not give up. You really have to enjoy the process of making these videos and posting them onto YouTube, and also look at the benefits in the long run.